Hi friends, greetings of the day. I am Kalyana Raman and I am into real estate business in Hyderabad. In the due course of my business, I was facing lot of competitions from other companies and agents. To outgrow this competition, I was looking for some alternative. Then someone has suggested me a digital marketing. In digital marketing, when I was searching for the good digital marketing institute, I came across Pasham Institute. I came here, I took the demo class. Though I was very skeptical about the course and all, after attending the demo class, I was very confident and joined the course. Before coming to Pasham trainings, I attended even some other institute also, but I left in between because of bad coaching or improper teaching procedures. So as the course progressed, the class was going very good, the teaching was very good, the atmosphere of the class was very good, and the Sushmita Madhu ma'am, who is our trainer, is really awesome. She is fine. She is having very vast experience in digital marketing. She even worked as a digital marketer in some major companies. She clears each and every of your doubts. She take care of the students, each and every student very well. And whatever clarifications, even the dull candidate, even if there is a dull candidate in the class, even she takes care of even that single candidate. So if you are looking for a very decent and nice digital marketing course in Secunderabad or Hyderabad, so Pasham's trainings and Sushmita madam is the best choice should be the best choice for you. I can say Sushmita ma'am is a moving encyclopedia of digital marketing. Thank you very much.